What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to see what's going on. Nothing has really changed over the past few days. That's why I haven't been making a lot of videos. Plus, I've been doing a lot of trading. If you belong to the Discord, you would know. If you want to join the Discord, check it out. It's totally free. Link is down below in the description of the video, along with some affiliate links down there that help the channel out. Let's get into it. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. All right, let's take a look at what's going on. So as you guys know, this is the bullish possibility. Although I'm bearish and I'm leaning towards the bearish possibility, there is still a bullish possibility. If this 53,000 isn't broken, we could be looking up towards the 82,000 range, somewhere in there. Although I do not believe so. If we don't break this 53, that is definitely possible. Now, let's take a look at the bearish case, and I'm going to explain this. A lot of people are asking questions about it, don't seem to understand, and I've explained this over and over and over and over again. This, I think, as you guys know, if you watch the channel, we called this whole dip way back here before it happened. We actually called these waves out before it happened, although I thought 5 would go down a little lower, and I did think that the ABC would be a little bit shorter here, but it did end up being an irregular correction. A lot of people are saying the only way that could be is this is a 3 wave, because it's got to be 335. That's incorrect. It could be 535. And what I wanted to explain why I remained bearish the whole time was because this is a clear 5 waves. It couldn't be any clearer. So that can't be a finished correction, and it needs a 3-wave move behind it and then another 5-wave move down. That's why I remain bearish here. And as you can see, we have our 5 waves down here. We have our A, which has 5 waves within it. This A right here, there's 5 waves there. B, there is 3 waves, an ABC correction, and then 5 waves to the upside, creating the B. I do believe we're probably still most likely going to come back down to this. I've been saying it forever. If you follow me on Twitter, I said it weeks ago. I actually posted something about it today. Some people were making comments back then that it would never happen. But I said between 51 and 53,000 within the coming days or weeks when we were up here. And sure enough, we are getting close to there now. Now, this bottom trend line, that will invalidate this count. Then we'll have to relook at it if we break this bottom trend line. And if it was to come straight down today, that would be around 51,300. Each day it'll rise by a couple $100, depending on when we get there, when and if we get there. So I've been looking for this. I will be looking to put some longs in here. Of course, I'm going to use tight stops, but I'm going to put some longs in here, and I'm probably just going to trail them up with stop losses. That way, if it does remain going bullish, then is what it is, and you just follow it up and make gains the whole way up. But I will be looking for the end of wave 2. I'll put the fibs on this once I know the 5th wave's complete. It is possible that it's complete now. Although I don't think it is possible, and we are headed up for 2 now. We'll talk about that. But we're going to go into some smaller time frames too towards the end, so make sure you stick around for that. And we're going to take a look at a crazy chart at the very end. So anyways, looking for this wave 1 to end, look for wave 2 up, and then 3 down is going to be a great short opportunity if this plays out this way for the big C wave down. Now, this doesn't have to come down as far as I put it here, but I'm just judging by where it breaks. Once it breaks, we'll get a better idea of where it's going to land. But I'm still looking for these 5 waves down. If you guys are interested in helping the channel out, supporting the channel, check out my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. There's a link down below. There's a crypto section in there. She can put anything you want on any of this stuff, but definitely check it out, guys. It's quality stuff, not iron-on junk or anything like that. So let's take a look at Prime XBT. Now, if you are interested in trading, this is by far the best exchange in my opinion. And right now they have contests up here. You can click there, you can enter the contest. By the way, there's a link down below, and I'll leave a video up top that shows you how to use their margin and whatnot. But you can trade Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, crypto, Dow Jones, everything all on this exchange. Definitely worth checking out. They also have a copy trading section where you can copy trade other traders. Like I said, just a great exchange. Definitely check it out. You can use my promo code SAVVY25. That'll get you 25% off your trading fees. All right, now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. So this is what I'm looking at, the 4-hour chart. This whole thing, these 5 waves, if it does play out like this, will be the wave 1 here. So we're zoomed in over here on this chart. If at any time we break this up here, we break this top trend line, which if we went straight up right now, it'd be about 59,000. If we break that, that could invalidate this count also. And then perhaps wave 1 has ended and we are in wave 2. That is definitely a possibility. Keep that in mind. But if we do come back down to touch the bottom of this wedge again for the 5th wave, it should be around, like I said, 51.2 to 51.5 somewhere if it's in the next couple days. The longer it takes, the lower it would go. Let's zoom in a little bit here on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, this is kind of messy here, but I tweeted this out this morning and put it in the Discord. Guys, take a second out. Don't forget, smash that like button. Share the video if you would also. But we have some measured moves here. This one being just this triangle here. If we were to break down, getting us around that 52.8, 53,000 range. And then we were looking at this as a reversal diamond, if you guys remember, and we did break down, and that gave us the measured move of the 53.7. And then, of course, we have an even bigger triangle over here that gives us a lower target. So these are my targets. Like I said, we could go as low as 51.5. But if we break below that, guys, be careful because it could get ugly. As you guys know, the traditional markets aren't doing so great. This is the dollar overlaid on the Bitcoin chart. And every time the dollar tops, Bitcoin bottoms. Every time the dollar bottoms, Bitcoin tops. So I'm looking for, there should be a buying opportunity if it comes back up and tests this trend line, the dollar, within the next year or two. We look at the dollar, it does look very bullish right now. Looks like it's doing a reversal diamond pattern. The measured move there would get us to about 97.4. And you guys know I have my targets up here still valid. 97.8 and 99.9. That could take a long time. But this is the chart I wanted to show you guys. You know, everybody makes fun of crap coins and how they crash when they go straight up. Look at this coin here. Just joking. This isn't a coin. This is the monthly Dow Jones chart. If that doesn't look primed for a major correction, I don't know what does. Correction, crash, something bad is coming for it, and I think that will bring Bitcoin down. So perhaps if wave 2 for Bitcoin does turn out, we may have another few weeks before this goes, possibly a month, depending on how long that wave 2 takes. Last time over here, it took wave 2 took us the 24th of April to, I think it's about 3 weeks average, somewhere in there. So if that was to happen again, could have about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks before the market really crashes. So be careful, be aware of that, guys. I know a lot of people think markets only go up. That is untrue. Just look at that. That's all I got to say about it. So thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk to you guys later. See ya.